Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we will show you where to find the fuse for your power seats. If you have power seats, we'll explain where the fuse is located. Now, if you're looking, guys, for the fuse for the pillows for the power seats, the one that supports your back, it's a different fuse, and we have that video on the channel as well, so check it out, guys. Quick introduction: we guys have more than 200 videos on this Dodge Dart and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful, guys. If you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can buy car parts, tools and all that stuff for a super good price. First, let's go ahead, open, guys. Okay, open the hood and I'll show you where that fuse is located and what we need to look at. So this is a 2015 Dodge Dart, but it should work for the whole generation, guys. If you have power seats, okay, like the one right here, and they don't work, okay, we'll show you how to check the fuse and where it's located. This is for the lumbar, okay, pillow support here for the back. This is a separate fuse, guys. So now, oh, I caught my microphone, so let me get it out and let me show you now what we'll be doing here. You can see, guys, this is the engine. Doesn't matter which engine you have. This is your fuse box next to your car battery. How you open it: you press in here, pull up, come out in an angle, and right here, guys, you can notice, okay, you can notice your fuses. Okay, your fuse numbers are listed on the back side right here, and we need to, guys, find the fuse. Okay, that is for the power seats, and you can see how they're labeled. T is for a relay, F is for a fuse. So the one that we're looking at now, guys, is fuse 81, guys, right here. So whoever okay labeled those, I don't know how they did that, but it goes 82, 4, 81. So it will be the third fuse, okay, from that relay on the right row. Okay, and we're going down, guys. It will be that fuse. Pretty big fuse, guys. And if you need to buy replacement fuses, we have the link in the description of the video below, so check it out, guys. But this is, guys, the fuse for the power seats. So if you have problems with your power seats, check that fuse out, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find that information. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.